guys, so I'm gonna get ready and go to sharing sessions today. And I just got myself ready. I had breakfast and yeah, and also I'm gonna record a coding intro videos for a course in Korean. And this is my day, and after the sessions I'm going to work at a cafe and I'm going to the gym. So come with me today. Yeah.
I know the website.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm back home now, and I don't really go to the cafe because it's pretty late. Well, it's not late, but it's like 2 o'clock right now, and I have to go to the gym at 3 something 4. So I only have 2 hours left to work a little bit on my client's project, which I don't think there's a point to go to the cafe for 2 hours. So yeah, I'm home, and then now I'm gonna work on my client project, which is to redesign the website. And now I'm going to the gym after a few hours of working. And here's the rice field. So supposed to go home, but then it was raining. And Alright, so I just came back home from dinner and walk a little bit outside, and then it was heavy rain. I was all soaked, and yeah, I'm just gonna take a bit of break and work a little bit, and that's it for my whole day as a remote workers here in Bali. It's an amazing place, amazing people with a lot of friendly, very nice people here, and I got to meet a lot of digital nomads and share a lot of my experience. So far I have pretty much organized 3 events myself, and once I was invited to be a speaker, which is the one just now, and I met a lot of people. I met a lot of amazing people, and I really love the cultures, the environment, the vibe here. People are very nice here, literally, and the food is amazing. But yeah, as you can see, I'm like all messy, like my hair from the gym. I haven't even showered yet. My shirt's like all covered with rainwater, covered with rain, sweat and everything. And I'm just gonna get ready to go to bed and work. Yeah, so, and tomorrow I have to interview a co-working space again for my startup. And then also I love the vibe there. It's one of the famous co-working space in Bali here, and then they are happy to have us to interview them, to to partner with us for our co-working space. And so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy the video so much. It's a productive day today for me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow because I have to record my whole day again tomorrow with co-working space interview and stuff, another vlog. But yeah, see you guys soon. Take care.